Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you what is MetaMask and how to use it. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, what is MetaMask? MetaMask it allows the apps or decentralized applications to ask for the permission to access the funds in your wallet without having to give our own private keys. And what is it used for? Well, it's basically allow us to access decentralized applications. It also allow access to decentralized websites as well as accessing the decentralized protocols. And before MetaMask, we had to provide the private keys to the cryptocurrency wallet to interact with the apps. It's very risky. And MetaMask, it just allows us to access that without having to give our own private keys. And how does MetaMask actually make money? Well, MetaMask it charge small fees when people start using the service, like buying, selling, or swapping the coins. And what is it needed when it comes to using MetaMask? Well, we will need to have Ethereum because it is used to pay the fees, like the transactions fee on the Ethereum network that basically the MetaMask is used for. And how do we use MetaMask? Well, this is the official website, and we have to download the extensions. As you can see, it is trusted by over 21 million users worldwide, right? And now let's just click on the download now button. And it automatically detects that I am now using Chrome browser. You can also install it on iOS or Android as well. So now I install MetaMask for Chrome. Just clicking on the button, and now it redirects me to the Chrome Web Store, and you can see has more than 10 million users that install MetaMask. So now let's click on the add to Chrome. And here just click on add extension, and it's now downloading. And here you can see it is now added to my Chrome. Okay, so here it says welcome to MetaMask, connecting the Ethereum and the decentralized web. So first we will need to click on the get started, and there are two options. You can either actually import your existing wallet using the secret phrase, or you can just set up. So now we're going to create a new wallet. So just click on this button right here, and it asks whether we want to improve. Basically, whether we want to gather the usage data and send it across to MetaMask so that can improve the service and the product. I'm going to choose no thanks for now. And right here, you will need to enter the password. The minimum is 8 characters long. So now let me just enter this quickly and click on the I have read and agree to term and use, and click on the create button. And here you can see we also have a video to watch as well, basically how to save the secret recovery phrase. So now let's just click on the next button. And now you will be able to see this right here. So once I click this, the secret words will appear, and make sure that you keep all of these words in a secure place. Say like you write it down on a paper and then keep it in a safe place, or maybe you just store it somewhere that nobody has access to this, including your friends or relatives, right? So no one gonna know these secret words. Just keep it safe. Clicking on the next button, and now you have to click on all of this in order, and once that's done, you click on the confirm button. And as you can see, once you enter the words in order, then it is the screen that will see congratulations. And again, it just says like store this in multiple places, never share it with anyone at all, and there are more. Now click on the all done. Okay, so here you can see we now have this installed, and this is basically my wallet address. And now if I want to have it added right here, then I can basically click on this and click on the this one right here, the pin. Okay, just click on that, and now you can see MetaMask is right here. And one things before we getting how to use the MetaMask, let's just first click on this icon right here. And now you can also see the exact same screen, right? It's showing right here. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is to right click on this icon, and then right here hover on this can read and change size data. So you don't want to have the MetaMask to keep track of all of the activity that you use on the website, right, on the internet, right? So you just need to change it to when you click on the extension. Okay. All right, so now you can see this is the screen. We have the buy option, send option, and also swap option here as well. And we have the activity as well as the assets. And now you can see the Ethereum by default it is 0. And when I click on this one right here, we can also add a new network here as well. So now let's just quickly click on the buy button. And here there are a few options. You can buy Ethereum using this network here, right? Just click on continue to wire. And now it open up a new page. So right here, I can basically buy the Ethereum. I can just add any number here. Let's just say $10. And this is the USD, or you can also change to other currency as well, right? Can be USD or AUD. Then this is the Ethereum, and you can see that the transaction fee, it is very high, $5, and then the network fee is around $4. So the total that we have to pay is around $20, while we only buy $10 of Ethereum. I will also show you how to basically buy a cheap Ethereum as well without having to pay too much fee. But for now, let me show you quickly how to use the default option, right? So buy Ethereum with wire. Now just click on the next button, and here this page you will need to fill out the card informations as well as the billing address and the phone number. Then click on the submit. Once that's done, then you will receive $10 of the Ethereum. Okay, so now let me just close this. This is one option that you can buy. So what I'm going to show you now, let's just close this one real quick. And this one right here, I want to show you is to connect the MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. Then this is the address. So now let's just go back to MetaMask. And what we're going to do is to click on this drop down icon. By default, you can see that it is using Ethereum mainnet, right? And now let's just click on add the network, and now we need to fill in the information. So the network name is Smart Chain, and then this is the URL. Just copy and paste here and click on the save button. Okay, and now you can see a new network is added. This one is Binance. And you can also see that the assets by default it is using BNB, while if we click on the Ethereum, and the assets is using the Ethereum itself, right? ETH. Now let's just switch back to Smart Chain. Next, I want to show you how to deposit the coin from Binance to MetaMask. How do we do it? Well, this is my Binance. I have recreated the account. So you can just hover on wallet and click on overview. Next is to click on the withdraw right here, right? The button. Just click on that. We want to withdraw the coin from Binance to MetaMask. Okay. And this is the coin. Well, to use the Binance Smart Chain, we will need to change this to BNB. So right now, I have a few BNB. You can see here, right? And then this is the address that we will need to edit here. So now to get the address, just copy it from here, right? MetaMask, and just paste it right here. Okay, so once copy, and you just paste it here, and you can also see that the network says this is BSC or Binance Smart Chain, and You can also see the status here saying that this is congested, meaning that if I were to send money from Binance to MetaMask, then it just stay there without having to know when it's going to send through to MetaMask, right? Now let's just imagine that there is no status right here. Everything works fine. And then you right here, the amount, what you can do, you can just click on the maximum of the BNB that you have on Binance, right? So the minimum is 0.1. Now let's just click on this, and you can see that I only have this amount of BNB, which is not enough yet. And just imagine again that you have 0.1 or 0.5 of BNB and you want to send it across. You can just simply click on the withdraw button. Okay, so once that's done, then just wait for the withdrawal network confirmation, and finally it will be deposited into MetaMask, and you can see the amount of money right here. How about if I want to receive, right? So if I want to receive money from MetaMask, and then what do I need to do? Well, let's just click on the back button right here. So instead of withdraw, you can just click on deposit. So just simply click on deposit, and then here you have two options whether you want to deposit crypto. So I want to deposit crypto from MetaMask. I need to click on this one right here and then select coins. So in this example, I will just choose Ethereum and select one of the networks. So it will be Binance Smart Change. And right here, you can see this is the first time. So first we need to get the address. Click on the button. And now I have the address. Click on copy. Let's just go back here. And instead of choosing the Smart Change from Binance, let's just switch to Ethereum mainnet. Okay. And then next is we have to send it to Binance. So just click on the send button and then just paste it here. So now you can see the asset is showing 0 because I have no Ethereum inside my MetaMask here, the new one here. And if there are some amount here, then you can just simply enter the amount that you want to send. Let's just say 0.01 Ethereum, right? And then click on the next button, or you can also click on the maximum here as well. And in the next page, you will see the estimated gas fee. So normally when we send from MetaMask to Binance, the fee is quite cheap. So $100 of Ethereum, it would be around $2 or $3 of the gas fee. But if you were to use the other network, it will be a lot more expensive. And to make sure whether the fee that you're going to pay is the right or the standard price, then you can come to this website here. So you can check the price here. So if you want to send it from MetaMask to Binance in just less than 2 minutes, right? Then the gas fee would be around 100 N. But if you want to send it slower, right, then the fee is cheaper. It depends on how fast you want to send it. So this is about sending from MetaMask to Binance. Okay, and you can see that the network confirmations and finally deposit is successful. Once MetaMask is set up, you will be able to use the decentralized application or the apps. In this case, I show you is the Uniswap. It allows us to swap from one coin to the other. So here, I can just simply click on this icon, and then you can also see that there is the default option, right? So this is the swap without using the Uniswap. Okay, so what you're going to do is to, instead of using the default option here, you come to the official website, and then once you here click on the launch app, simply click on the connect wallet, and now you can see this is MetaMask. So just click on that. It will connect from the Uniswap app to MetaMask. Okay, so right here, and then click next and connect. All right, so here this is the account and it is connected. So if I want to say I have 0.1 of Ethereum and then I want to swap it to another coin, say USDT, then I can just simply connect here, then it fetching the best price. Because in my wallet I don't have any Ethereum, that's the reason why you can see it keeps spinning. Okay, but this is one of the app when we can use to connect it with MetaMask. And the other website I want to show you, this one is Pancakeswap. It's the same thing. We can simply swap from one coin to another. And here again with the button, you can connect the wallet. And this is MetaMask. Let's just select this one here. And it asks we will want to connect this with MetaMask. Then again, just choose next and connect. It's connecting, and now we can switch to the network. Okay, so switch network, and you can now see it's logged in without asking to enter the username or the password, right? It's different because this one is the decentralized applications. With the MetaMask, so how do you going to expand it? Well, you can just click on the three dot and click on the expand view. Then this is, you can see this in full screen. So yep guys, I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial. You now learn what is MetaMask and how to install it, also how to use it to buy coin, how to send coin over to Binance, and how to also send from Binance back to MetaMask. And we also look into the swap coin as well, using the default option here, right? The price would be more expensive if you choose the default one here, but if you directly using the Uniswap or the Pancakeswap, then it's cheaper. I think that's all for this tutorial. I see you guys in the next video.